Play with this one. He loves to play with pillow. This you don't have pillow play. So you can keep baby talk. You can keep, you know. First step.
That is the name of the cleaning. First step.
Yeah, that Mama, I can't leave him, right? He will roll off. I'll just speak to him.
Let's see, you say that. We have the same phone now.
Yeah. Now injection time. Enjoy yourself.